Number 1. Antminer S19 Pro. Considered the best mining equipment for industrial mining. The Antminer S19 Pro, a SIG Bitcoin miner hardware, is presently the high-quality cryptocurrency mining hardware with which to mine Bitcoin and different SHA-256 cryptocurrencies. This is given the absolute best hash rate, efficiency, and power consumption at the power effectivity of 29.7 JTH. This crypto mining hardware generates an income of $12 every day with an electrical energy price of $0.1 kilowatt. This places the annual return proportion at 195%, and the payback duration is simply 186 days. It operates maximally at a humidity of between 5 and 95%. Like with all different hardware mining for cryptocurrencies, you can join the system to one-of-a-kind mining pools like Slushpool, NiceHash, Poolin, Amppool, and via BTC. The main features of this mining device include board constructed with the next-gen 5nm chip. Size is 370mm via 195.5mm via 290mm. Features 4 cooling fans, a 12V grand unit, and Ethernet connectivity. Hash rate 110 THS. Power consumption 3250 W plus 5%. Noise level 75 dB. Temperature range 540 deg C. Weight 15,500 G. Now, moving towards the next one, let's check out what we have at number 2. Number 2. Antminer T9 Plus. Considered the best mining equipment for testing the miner setting and performance. Although right now, you can't directly purchase via Bitmain at the moment, the gadget is accessible through exclusive third-party merchants and on Amazon and eBay. It aspects 3 chipboards of 16nm. Released in January 2018, the machine is inexpensive because you can get it at a reasonable cost except for the power supply. The mining equipment is used as an ATX PSU power supply with at least 10 6-pin PCIe connectors. However, it seems the system has a poor income ratio of 13%, and the return per day is estimated to be around $0.71 given the 0.136 JGH power efficiency. However, NiceHash places profitability $0.10 USD per day when mining with it through their pool. The main features of this mining unit are the following. Features 2 cooling fans. Size is 125 by 190 by 320. Hash rate 10.5 THS. Power consumption 1432 W. Noise level 76 dB. Temperature range 0-40 deg C. Weight 4200 G. Now, it's time for the third mining equipment. I hope all of this shared information will be helpful for your mining experience. Number 3. AvalonMiner A1166 Pro. It is considered best for SHA-256 miners and experienced Bitcoin miners. AvalonMiner A1166 Pro mining rig mines SHA-256 algorithm cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Bitcoin BSV. However, you can nevertheless mine Acoin, Crown, Bitcoin, Kiracoin, and different coins primarily based on the SHA-256 algorithm. It is a worthwhile gadget to mine with. At a $0.1 per kilowatt power cost, you anticipate $2.77 per day, $83.10 per month, and $1,011.5 per 12 months from the device. Produced through a manufacturing company that has manufactured main mining units before, it is absolutely famous amongst these mining cryptocurrencies today. At an effectivity of 0.42 JGH, the system is one of the most environment-friendly mining hardware around. At 63 THS efficiency, the system manages an effectivity of 0.52/GH. The main features of this mining equipment include: it is outfitted with 4 cooling fans, power consumption 3,400 watts, noise level 75 dB, temperature range 535 deg C, weight 12,800 G. Humidity is to be between 5% and 95% for the equipment to function normally. The dimension is 306 by 405 by 442. Hash rate 81 THS. Number 4. Whatsminer M30S++. It is considered best for professional Bitcoin miners. The MicroBT Whatsminer M30S++ as it is called, is modern from the enterprise and one of the quickest cryptocurrency mining hardware, given its hash rating. As of October 2020, the device is used to mine SHA-256 algorithm cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Bitcoin BSV. Given the excessive rate, profitability, and hash rate of these coins, this is the product of choice. Given that it is an excessive power consumption device, it may also no longer be very recommendable for new miners. Mining is good for places where electricity is inexpensive, since after subtracting the effects of the power cost, you can get a common daily income of between $7 and $12. It has a mining effectivity of 0.31 JGH. Main features include: it attracts 12V of power, connects through an Ethernet cable, hash rate 112 THs plus 5%, power consumption 3,472 watts plus 10%, noise level 75 dB, size is 125 by 225 by 425 mm, equipped with 2 cooling fans, temperature range 540 deg C, weight 12,800 G. Number 5. AvalonMiner 1246, considered one of the best mining equipment. AvalonMiner 1246 is surely one of the top-ranked Bitcoin miner hardware for SHA-256 algorithm coins like Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, given its excessive hash rate. At a power effectivity of 38 JTH, you anticipate making between $3.11 day, $93.20 a month, and $1,118.35 annually with the device that relies upon the rate of mine BTC and power value in your mining area. It is one of the excellent Bitcoin mining hardware when searching for recommendations that accommodate. The main features are: equipped with 2 7-blade fan, hash rate 90 THs, power consumption 3,420 watts plus 10%, noise level 75 dB, temperature range 530 deg C, weight 12,800 G, connects through an Ethernet cable, and is outfitted with 4 cooling fans. All of these mining pieces of equipment are best on their own and provide amazing results. You can consider any of them depending on your feasibility and nature of work. I hope you will like the discussed information. If yes, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We'll be back soon with another exciting video. Till then, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon for future notifications. Links of the shared mining equipment are also mentioned in the description box, so you can check them for further details.